Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I am here with a haul, guys. Y'all know I've been on this decoupage craze and I am getting napkins like it ain't no tomorrow. But I want to show you some stuff so that you can see what I look for in napkins when I am going to decoupage them onto something. Alright, so this is a smaller haul. One of my previous videos I had quite a few napkins, and if I were to ever show you guys what my napkin stash looks like, OMG, you guys would probably be like, you have a problem, sister girl. And I know I'm not the only one. So I did get some black. This is a Temu haul, by the way. I got this from Temu. Don't know if I said that, but this is all black, and I probably could have got these from somewhere, maybe the Dollar Tree, but I was online and I was ordering anyway. So what I look for in napkins is, one, I want full. When I open it up, I want the full napkin to have either pattern or color, okay? And this turns out to be, let's see what the measurements are, because they're not all the same. And this one is, I believe, a 20 pack. And this is over 12 inches. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. So it's longer than my ruler. So opened up, it's over 12 inches. But the folded is 6 1/4 or 6 1/2, right around. So just so you know, this is what I look for. And I also try to make sure that, you know, you can't really tell when you're purchasing, but I like the 2-ply better than the 3-ply. And when you're decoupaging, you definitely want to get this second and third layers off, so all you're working with is the colored or patterned napkin. So this is just plain black, and this is going to come in handy. I can't wait to use it. So that's one in this order, one napkin. I was looking for something with foil on it, but I think I'm going to do something on my own and do a DIY foil on my napkins, because one of the things that I noticed with the foil napkins is they do not have 4 panels with foil, which I feel, first of all, this napkin is smaller. It's less than 5 inches, and if you see, this one doesn't even make 10 inches, right? So I feel like I got gypped, but I think anytime you see foil, because I had one that had a St. Patrick's Day and it only had 1/4. So needless to say, I won't be buying this again. However, I do believe I will be creating, it has motivated me to make my own foiled napkins. To be continued, guys. Y'all know I always be trying stuff, and I show you guys all the mistakes too. Now this is a good one. It is, let's see, let's do it across here. Folded, it's 8 inches, right? Let me go ahead and give you the one that's already out of the package. Folded, it is 8 inches. Y'all see that? Right at the 8-inch mark. And what I love about this one is it is a lot bigger than the 2 that I just showed you. Like, it might actually be the same size, it's just folded differently, but let's see what the size is. Oh, that's way bigger. So yeah, it's bigger than 12, so about 13 by, let's see, 14, 15, 16 inches across. So yeah, Love it. And this is a beautiful pattern. The only thing that I don't like about this napkin is it has a cutoff point, as opposed to some of the napkins that I have. It goes over the fold, or it's not as pronounced. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I will make it work. I do still feel like I got my money's worth for this. You know, even though these napkins are not that expensive, I do feel like a full pattern. I got a full pattern, so I'm happy. So here's the next one. I wanted something more masculine because I'm working on, yes sir, Father's Day gifts. So this one is that. There's 20 in a pack. This one, I believe, yep, it does have 4 full panels, full color panels. So I'm going to be doing some lovely stuff. We can do some coasters. I have some Father's Day gifts that I want to do with decoupage that is going to look amazing. So there's that one. I have this one, wasn't sure what it was. I thought it was just regular maps, but it's a pirate theme. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I was looking more for the brown tone. And again, this has a great coverage. You know, I could use some of the edging. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just needed something brown, just in case I wanted to do something for a gentleman. So there's that one. And here's one. I wasn't sure what it was going to look like when I got it, because it's so muted. And I think it's just an abstract design. And it's okay because we like abstract over here at JayCee Creations. Y'all might hear that beep. My laser is back in production. So here's that. This is going to be nice. I think it's a little masculine, depending on how you use it, right? Okay. And the last one, again, it's another foil. It's another fail. Foil fail. How about that? For me, I just wish it had 4 corners. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I just wish it was all over, and it's not. So I'm gonna have to use that sparingly. But that's my Temu napkin haul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So to be continued, guys. You will see more. And then, you know, like I said, I've been inspired to do some foiling of my own. So we'll see if that comes about. It may be a hot mess, but anyway, go create something amazing. Talk to you later.